Good morning, guys. Today I gave authority for Thomas, the guy who's always talking to AI, to speak to the government on my behalf. It's like a legal thing for him to be able to. I talked to Yes, the other guy of the duo. We're gonna meet up in Svendborg at Cykeltutten, a place where I like hanging out, where there's always a bunch of different people showing up. The guy with the contrabass and all that. So I'm heading over to Nyborg station now, getting on a bus to go to Svendborg. And yeah, I'm gonna be hanging out over there all day. I don't know, maybe Yes is gonna join me afterwards. Let's see. Ugh, look at this shit, guys. I talked to Kiki too. Kiki said that sadly I'm not gonna be able to stay where she is right now. But thankfully she'll talk to her dad and see if I can't stay there for a couple of days. I'm definitely gonna have to line up some couches because I'd really want to avoid sleeping in this shit if I can. It's not really the nicest. Oh my god, I can't imagine waking up in this type of cold. It's gotta be really demotivating. I'd probably just want to stay in the sleeping bag all day, burning the trangia all day to stay warm. It's expensive to live outdoors in this type of cold. You end up eating more for calories to heat your body up, and you end up burning a lot of alcohol just to stay warm in the tent. So I want to avoid it if I can, because I'm kind of broke. And out of that 1,000 krona I got yesterday, I'm gonna spend 500 today to get that scrubber bag. And this soap that's gonna be able to, I'm gonna be able to use it instead of hand soap, dishwashing soap, and shampoo. So I'm gonna remove some complexity from my setup, shave off some weight. I'm not gonna need dedicated hand soap, shampoo, and I'm just gonna have conditioner and then this multi-soap, which I'll also be able to use as detergent for washing my clothes in the scrubber bag. And yeah, once I got that, I basically got all the essentials taken care of. After that, it's just stuff I like, but that I don't actually need. Like power pads and spiked pedals. Like I like to waterproof this jacket with this stuff, Nick Wax it's called, but you know, it's not important. It's time to charge up the phone. It wasn't fully charged up when I left. Alright. Here we are in Svendborg. Here we are, guys. I don't know if anyone's here yet. Let's see. We're making some tea. It's just me and Bogdan right now. Yes is coming soon.
Men jeg tænker, du ved, det er en god måde sådan at, så kan man ligesom, altså hvis du godt vil hjælpe nogen, eller har den der, så er det bare, lad mig føle, det er ligesom det her. Ja, ligesom det er sådan noget andet, det der med, man kan ikke opstå over, at folk, man bliver nødt til at lave noget, hvor folk, men det
Keep forgetting to film, guys.
jeg tror ikke, der er nogen, der har sagt det.
Okay. Der er nogen, der har sagt, at jeg skal nok lige forstå det.
Ja, bare forklare det der med, at vi har brug for ham, du ved.
It's a whole chicken up in there.
Det er det, jeg tænker.
Altså, du ved, vi har brug for folk, der godt gider det.
Ja.
Bare gerne.
virkelig givet.
Also, I made a deal that with this guy over here that I'm gonna come help him fix his two broken bicycle batteries or e-bike batteries, and it also gives me the chance to fix my own bicycle batteries. I got a few that doesn't work, so I guess I'll just in about a week or two I'll go to Copenhagen, pick up my tools and my broken batteries, come over here, and I'll just have a day of just all battery repair. It may take 2 days with that many batteries, but yeah, that's my plan so far. The appetizer. Let's go. I'm teaching Bogdan now to roll cigarettes with and without filter while listening to Tool, and the chicken's almost done. Let's go.
Don't know, we are daltonic. It's like, oh,
You are what?
it's like, oh, sorry, colorblind.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. It's
And
like,
it work?
yeah. She's like, oh, okay, sorry for that. You can go like
Exactly, how would they know?
This. Yeah.
Ah, that's smart.
Yo guys, me and Jess made it home. We're just chilling now.
Yo.
And I'm talking to Stony. I spoke to Kiki and asked her if we couldn't do it a little earlier in the day tomorrow, this whole handing her stuff over in Slagelse. And thankfully she was receptive to that idea, so I gotta get to bed a little earlier than I normally do, so I'll be ready for tomorrow. Gotta transport her stuff, gotta pick up a package, and then come back to Newport, and then, yeah, some more stuff. You'll see tomorrow.